Good morning, my friends. So it's another beautiful autumn day today with some sun. So let's wake up the body. And this practice is if you're having a really sluggish morning and you're super tired and you just need to take it a little bit easy. So we're gonna go very easy, waking up the body in a super gentle way, short practice, and we're gonna be doing this lying down on our backs. So let's go. First, start by lying down in Shavasana, which is the dead man's pose. I call this the resting pose. And just ground your body down into the mat. Feeling how it just gets heavier and heavier. And feel the connection from your scapula down to the mat. Legs are super heavy. Shoulders relaxed, no tension in the neck. And from here, just put both your hands on top of your belly. And feel how your breath gently reaches your stomach each time you inhale. And by doing this, you're allowing your body to ground itself down into the mat. Giving yourself a little bit of comfort and ease as well. Letting know that it's okay. Wherever you are today in your energy level, it's okay. You'll do whatever you can in order to wake up the body. From here, I'm going to take a little stretch just to get that blood circulation going. So you can just rotate your hands from your wrists and your feet as well, gentle rotation. Bringing the arms down and bringing the legs up, planting your feet into the mat. And keep your hands on your belly, long neutral spine, keeping that scapula in contact with the mat. And from here, we're just gently gonna lift one leg up and give ourselves a little rotation of the feet. Other side. Coming to stillness, grabbing hold of the knee and gently pressing the knee into your chest without lifting the scapula from the mat. It's all about just being gentle here with your body. Take a deep breath and plant your foot back into the mat. Bringing the other foot up. Going back to the rotations. And they can be slow or they can be fast. Other side, depending on whatever mood you're in. Coming to stillness, grabbing hold of the knee, gently pressing it into your chest. Again, let the scapula rest into the mat. So no tension in your upper body. And gently release, opening the arms out to the side, lifting the feet off the mat, and just gently wiggle a little bit from side to side. And if this feels uncomfortable for you, you can always grab hold of your knees to have a gentle pressure, just to make sure that you don't tip over. But if you can, hold your arms out to the side and just let your core, your stomach muscles do a little bit of the work with the lifting side to side. That would be awesome. But again, it's your body, listen to it. Start to make them a little bit bigger, almost like you're starting to reach down into the ground. But you're not going to let them fall over, not yet. So your core is engaging here, making sure that the legs don't tip over into the ground or floor. And do one more on each side. Last one. By now I'm almost down into the floor here. And we're gonna do one more, but this time we're gonna let the legs just rest gently into the ground. You can put one hand over one leg, not to put pressure, but just to keep it stable here. You can flex your feet a little bit for more activation. And deep breaths. And if you want a bigger activation, depending on where you are in your body today, you can extend the upper leg. Just grab hold of the foot and just feel if this is a deep stretch, if it's too deep for you this morning, or if it actually feels good to release some of that tension in your hamstrings and your glutes. Keep your knee like micro bended so it's not overextended. Deep breaths. And gently release. Bring your legs back to center. Give it a nice lift. And we're going to come over to the other side. Putting that hand over just to rest, not to put too much pressure. Gentle flex. You can stay here if you want to. You can feel if that extension is something that you want to go for today. Deep breaths. Gentle release, bringing the legs back to center. And from here, you're gonna grab hold of one of your knees and you're gonna extend the other leg. And let's play with flexed feet here. So we're engaging the muscles in the back leg of the extended one. Deep breath in and switch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, switch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And gently bring the leg back into center. Put your hands under your knees, and now we're gonna go for some gentle rotations of the knees, bringing the legs in a circle motion. So the knees come close to your chest, and then you circle them away from your body. Come back to center, and let's go into the other side. Stay in stillness and center. And you're just gonna extend the legs, flexing the feet, lifting the arms, keeping the scapula. And just gently release down into the mat. Open the arms. Bend the knees, grab hold of the knees, and you're gonna roll yourself up to a seated position gently. When you feel ready, you just come up to a seated position. That felt good, guys. Hope you're ready for the day. Have a nice day.